Lawmakers are expected this weekend to address potential health care premium subsidy extensions. That was, of course, one of the major sticking points in the recent government shutdown. But there is still a steep hill to climb. Fox's Mike Emanuel has those details tonight.
House Speaker Mike Johnson and other GOP leaders are expected to continue talks over the weekend on Obamacare subsidies due to expire at the end of the year.
We put together the component pieces of what we know can bring down premiums, and you'll see some of this being rolled out in the next few days, probably by mid next week.
Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer got angry when reporters asked him why he's proposing a 3-year extension of subsidies that is expected to be dead on arrival in the Senate.
It is not a non-starter. 13 votes could solve the problem. That's where the onus should be. This is the only solution to avoid the January 1st cliff, plain and simple.
When pressed by reporters whether Democrats actually want a deal, New Mexico Senator Ben Ray Lujan snapped.
You show me a plan, brother. I talked to your interns. I talked to everyone. Show me the plan. They don't got one.
Pennsylvania Republican Brian Fitzpatrick's expected to release a plan calling for a 2-year extension of subsidies with reforms. Republicans Jen Kiggins of Virginia and Mike Lawler of New York and New Jersey Democrat Josh Gottheimer are working on a bipartisan compromise of their own. And there's another bipartisan effort.
The big difference, I think, between ours and the other plans that have been presented is that ours is actually paid for.
We do this in a way that is fiscally responsible, that actually saves money, doesn't increase the deficit.
While there's yet to be a unified Republican plan, key GOP members seem to agree change is necessary.
Jeffries has said it's 3 years or nothing. Well, guess what? We're not going to do that. We've got to make some reforms in that if we're going to drive down the cost of health care.
Many expect this to be 2 tracks, an extension of the Obamacare subsidies with potentially some reforms. Heading into an election year, neither side wants to be blamed for an insurance premium spike. And then a longer-term discussion about how to actually fix health care costs in the U.S. In Washington, Mike Emanuel, Fox News.